Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can you have two businesses on HoneyBook? I know that a lot of you are entrepreneurs and business owners, and you're always looking for ways to grow your businesses. HoneyBook is a great tool for managing your clients and projects, but can you use it for more than one business? The answer is yes. You can have two businesses on HoneyBook. In fact, you can have up to 5 businesses on a single account. This is great news if you're a freelancer or contractor who works with different types of clients. It also means that you can use HoneyBook to manage your personal and business finances. How to add a second business to HoneyBook. Adding a second business to HoneyBook is easy. Here's what you need to do. Log in to your HoneyBook account. Click on the Settings tab. Select Manage Businesses. Click on the Add Business button. Enter your business information. Click on the Save button. Once you've added your second business, you can start using HoneyBook to manage it. You can create projects, send invoices, and track your expenses. Benefits of having two businesses on HoneyBook. There are a number of benefits to having two businesses on HoneyBook. Here are a few of the most important. Keep your finances organized. HoneyBook makes it easy to track your income and expenses for each of your businesses. This can help you to stay on top of your finances and make sure that you're profitable. Manage your clients more effectively. HoneyBook allows you to create different workflows for each of your businesses. This can help you to stay organized and ensure that your clients are getting the best possible service. Save time and money. HoneyBook is a powerful tool that can help you to save time and money. By automating many of your business tasks, you can free up your time to focus on other things. If you're a business owner who is looking for a way to manage your clients and projects more effectively, I highly recommend using HoneyBook. You can have up to 5 businesses on a single account, which makes it a great tool for entrepreneurs and freelancers. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you're not already using HoneyBook, I encourage you to sign up for a free trial. You can learn more about HoneyBook at honeybook.com. Thanks for watching.